years, marketing emails were dead end. We were not able to reply it, correct? For example, let's say system maintenance notifications if we are getting order confirmations, if we are getting any updates, or maybe being very specific, if we are getting notification on any policy updates or any event reminders or subscription confirmations. There are several type of emails where that is marked as a do not reply. But still, if someone is having a query on top of that, they might need to go and find another email chain for that. And that is very hectic, right? So there is no way to do the communication for the end users. Now, what if this era is changed? What if there is an end of do not reply? And that's where Salesforce comes in the picture, correct? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is bringing the end to the do not reply era. So think of like the AI that turns every message into conversation. It's time to talk. And no agents, no forms, no manual follow up. Your campaigns can now think, can respond, personalize, convert instantly. And this is what we need. So the era of do not reply is over, and a very warm welcome to conversational marketing. It's a AI driven world, and it's time for the AI driven marketing. So have you explored the new feature, the do not reply era, the end of do not reply within Marketing Cloud?